Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C? Answer: scurvy. Scurvy occurs due to a lack of vitamin C, leading to symptoms like bleeding gums and fatigue. Malaria is caused by which organism? Answer: Plasmodium. Malaria is caused by a parasite of the Plasmodium genus and is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquitoes. Which disease is also known as Hansen's disease? Answer: leprosy. Leprosy, caused by Mycobacterium leprae, affects the skin, nerves, and mucous membranes. What is the cause of tuberculosis, TB? Answer: Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection affecting the lungs and other parts of the body. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? Answer: vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by a deficiency of vitamin A, affecting vision in low light conditions. What is the mode of transmission of dengue fever? Answer: Aedes mosquito. Dengue fever is spread through the bite of an infected Aedes mosquito. Which disease is caused by the poliovirus? Answer: poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis, or polio, leads to paralysis and is caused by the poliovirus. Which bacteria cause cholera? Answer: Vibrio cholerae. Cholera is an acute diarrheal illness caused by the ingestion of water or food contaminated with Vibrio cholerae. Which disease is caused by a virus transmitted by the bite of a rabid animal? Answer: rabies. Rabies is caused by the rabies virus, typically transmitted through the saliva of a rabid animal. What is the main cause of goiter? Answer: iodine deficiency. Goiter is the swelling of the thyroid gland caused by a lack of iodine in the diet. Which disease is commonly associated with blood sugar level issues? Answer: diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic disorder where the body cannot properly process glucose due to insulin issues. Which viral disease affects the liver and can cause jaundice? Answer: hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of the liver, often caused by viral infections like hepatitis A, B, or C. Which disease is caused by the Epstein-Barr virus? Answer: infectious mononucleosis. Infectious mononucleosis, also known as mono or the kissing disease, is transmitted through saliva. What is the cause of typhoid fever? Answer: Salmonella typhi. Typhoid fever is caused by the bacterium Salmonella typhi and is spread through contaminated food and water. Which disease is caused by a protozoan and transmitted by sandflies? Answer: leishmaniasis. Leishmaniasis is caused by protozoan parasites and transmitted by the bite of infected sandflies. Which disease is characterized by the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells? Answer: cancer. Cancer refers to a group of diseases where abnormal cells grow uncontrollably and may spread to other parts of the body. What is the causative agent of AIDS? Answer: HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. AIDS is caused by the HIV virus, which attacks the immune system and weakens the body's ability to fight infections. Which disease is caused by the H1N1 virus? Answer: swine flu. Swine flu is caused by the H1N1 influenza virus, which primarily affects pigs and can also infect humans. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Answer: rickets. Rickets causes bone weakness and deformities, especially in children, due to a deficiency of vitamin D. Which organism causes anthrax? Answer: Bacillus anthracis. Anthrax is caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, commonly affecting livestock but can also infect humans. Which disease is caused by the bite of a Sets fly? Answer: sleeping sickness, African trypanosomiasis. Sleeping sickness is caused by protozoa of the Trypanosoma genus and transmitted by the Sets fly. Which disease is caused by the herpes simplex virus? Answer: herpes. Herpes is a viral infection caused by the herpes simplex virus, leading to sores around the mouth or genital area. Which disease is caused by Yersinia pestis? Answer: plague. Plague is a serious bacterial infection caused by Yersinia pestis, transmitted through fleas. Which disease is also known as the silent killer, due to its asymptomatic nature in early stages? Answer: hypertension, high blood pressure. Hypertension often shows no symptoms in its early stages but can lead to serious heart and blood vessel problems. Which virus causes smallpox? Answer. Variola virus. Smallpox, caused by the variola virus, was eradicated in 1980 following a successful worldwide vaccination program. Which disease is caused by a prion and leads to degeneration of brain tissue? Answer. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD. CJD is a rare, degenerative brain disorder caused by prions, leading to rapidly progressive dementia. Which bacteria cause tetanus? Answer. Clostridium tetani. Tetanus is caused by a toxin produced by Clostridium tetani, leading to muscle stiffness and spasms. What is the cause of whooping cough? Answer. Bordetella pertussis. Whooping cough is a respiratory infection caused by the bacterium Bordetella pertussis, leading to severe coughing fits. Which viral infection affects the salivary glands, especially the parotid gland? Answer. Mumps. Mumps is a viral infection that causes swelling of the salivary glands, particularly the parotid glands. Which disease is caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV? Answer. Cervical cancer. HPV is the primary cause of cervical cancer and can also cause other types of cancer and genital warts. What is the main cause of scabies? Answer. Sarcoptes scabiei. Scabies is caused by an infestation of the skin by the mite Sarcoptes scabiei, leading to itching and rash. Which disease is characterized by an abnormal increase in white blood cells? Answer. Leukemia. Leukemia is a type of cancer affecting the bone marrow and blood, characterized by the overproduction of abnormal white blood cells. What causes the disease diphtheria? Answer. Conbacterium diphtheriae. Diphtheria is caused by the bacterium Conbacterium diphtheriae, which affects the mucous membranes of the respiratory tract. Which disease affects the air sacs in the lungs, causing breathing difficulties? Answer. Emphysema. Emphysema is a chronic lung disease where the air sacs in the lungs become damaged, leading to breathing difficulties. Which viral infection causes inflammation of the brain? Answer. Encephalitis. Encephalitis is inflammation of the brain, often caused by a viral infection like herpes simplex or mosquito-borne viruses. Which disease is known as the sugar disease? Answer. Diabetes. Diabetes, commonly referred to as the sugar disease, is characterized by high levels of glucose in the blood. Which disease causes severe joint pain and is spread by mosquitoes? Answer. Chikungunya. Chikungunya is a viral disease spread by mosquitoes, causing fever and severe joint pain. Which disease results from the deficiency of folic acid during pregnancy? Answer. Neural tube defects. A deficiency of folic acid during pregnancy can lead to neural tube defects in the developing fetus. Which disease is caused by the bacterium Neisseria meningitidis? Answer. Meningitis. Meningitis is an inflammation of the membranes around the brain and spinal cord, caused by various pathogens including Neisseria meningitidis. Which fungal infection affects the skin, scalp, or nails? Answer. Ringworm. Ringworm is a common fungal infection of the skin, scalp, or nails, caused by dermatophytes. What is the cause of pneumonia? Answer. Bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs caused by bacteria, e.g., Streptococcus pneumoniae, viruses, or fungi, leading to inflammation of the air sacs. Which disease is also called Hansen's disease? Answer. Leprosy. Leprosy is a chronic bacterial infection caused by Mycobacterium leprae, affecting the skin and peripheral nerves. Which disease is spread through contaminated water and food and causes severe diarrhea? Answer. Cholera. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae bacteria, leading to severe dehydration due to diarrhea. Which tick-borne disease affects humans and animals and is caused by Borrelia bacteria? Answer. Lyme disease. Lyme disease is transmitted by ticks infected with Borrelia bacteria, causing symptoms such as rash and joint pain. Which disease causes an abnormal accumulation of fluid in the tissues, especially the lower legs? Answer. Elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is caused by parasitic worms, leading to the obstruction of lymphatic vessels and severe swelling in affected body parts. Which disease is caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum? Answer. Syphilis. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted infection caused by the bacterium Treponema pallidum. Which disease is a leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide? Answer: glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye conditions that damage the optic nerve, often due to high intraocular pressure. Which disease is transmitted by the Aedes mosquito and is known for its high fever and joint pain? Answer: chikungunya. Chikungunya is a viral disease spread by Aedes mosquitoes, known for severe joint pain and fever. Which virus is responsible for causing measles? Answer: measles virus, rubeola. Measles is a highly contagious viral infection caused by the rubeola virus, leading to fever, cough, and a characteristic red rash. Which disease is characterized by an acute attack on the nervous system leading to paralysis? Answer: Guillain-Barré syndrome. Guillain-Barré syndrome is a rare autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system attacks the nerves, leading to paralysis. Which bacterial infection is spread through inhalation and causes severe respiratory illness? Answer: Legionnaire's disease. Legionnaire's disease is caused by the Legionella bacteria, spread through contaminated water droplets. Which viral disease leads to inflammation of the spinal cord and brain and may cause paralysis? Answer: poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis, commonly known as polio, is caused by the poliovirus and can result in permanent paralysis. Which disease affects red blood cells and is often referred to as Mediterranean anemia? Answer: thalassemia. Thalassemia is a genetic blood disorder that affects the body's ability to produce hemoglobin, leading to anemia. Which disease is caused by an excess of uric acid in the bloodstream leading to joint inflammation? Answer: gout. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by the buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints, leading to severe pain and swelling. Which disease is associated with high levels of cholesterol in the blood? Answer: atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is a condition where plaque builds up in the arteries, often due to high cholesterol, leading to reduced blood flow and potential heart problems. Which disease is characterized by abnormal electrical activity in the brain, causing seizures? Answer: epilepsy. Epilepsy is a neurological disorder where abnormal brain activity leads to recurrent seizures. Which disease is known as the silent killer, due to its lack of symptoms in early stages but is a major cause of heart attack and stroke? Answer: hypertension. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is called the silent killer because it often has no symptoms but can lead to severe cardiovascular problems. Which disease involves the immune system attacking the body's own tissues, leading to chronic inflammation? Answer: rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder that primarily affects joints, causing painful inflammation and potential joint deformity. Which disease is caused by the inhalation of asbestos fibers, leading to lung damage? Answer: asbestosis. Asbestosis is a lung disease caused by prolonged inhalation of asbestos fibers, leading to scarring and breathing difficulties. Which disease is caused by a deficiency in insulin production or the body's inability to use insulin effectively? Answer: diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is a metabolic disorder where the body has difficulty producing or using insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels.